Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if the disk spacebar is missing in this PC on your Windows 11 computer. So if the disk spacebar that would normally appear underneath the icon is missing, I'm going to show you guys how to re-enable that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So I'm going to go ahead and open up File Explorer here. Select the View tab up at the top, and you want to select versus tiles and make sure that's selected, and then it should instantly change the devices and drivers view type. So pretty straightforward process. If you're still having a problem, you can also attempt to open up the search menu and type in File Explorer Options. Best match, you'll come back with File Explorer Options. Go ahead and select that. And you want to now at this point go ahead and select the View tab. And where it says Reset Folders, go ahead and left click on that button. Do you want to reset all folders of this type to the default view setting? Select Yes, and then select OK, and then hopefully that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.